What up guys, it's me, Deathcore Chef, and welcome to Deathcore Chef Presents Culinary Chaos Halloween Special, the first of its kind. Who doesn't love Halloween, seriously? Everyone's getting candy, the kids are out of the house, and women are wearing the absolute best cosplay costumes ever. And guys, I'm not sexist, I hope you get all the candy.
Fucking Jack Skellington.
I hope you guys are actually enjoying this episode, all the cosplay pictures, and our background aesthetic has changed completely. Obviously, if you take a closer look, this is the scene from where the streets killed me.
I've ran the streets since I was young. Streets killed me.
One thing I like about our background aesthetics, man, is if you actually check out right here, that's right, we did a jump scare. This is the Halloween special. We're gonna have tricks, treats, and tons of eats for you guys. Just in time for your Halloween party, we're gonna give you simple tips and tricks to help you guys with recipes that makes you the talk of the town. Hey guys, it's me, Deathcore Chef, here with Bob Ross. To let you know, we had a happy little accident, mostly Kiko, that I didn't even tell you guys what we're making on this episode. We're making alien deviled eggs. Woohoo! So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the episode. No more accidents after this. Bye! Now I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I have to give you guys a tutorial on how to boil water. You let the water come to a rapid boil, you put your eggs in, depending on what level you want it cooked, is how long you leave your eggs in. So since we're actually boiling eggs, I figured I'd take the time to show you the difference between soft, hard, and overcooked eggs. The soft boiled egg has been on for about 7 minutes, the hard boiled egg has been on for about 10 minutes, and this one we just honestly let go until we remembered to get it out of the water. Like, it still has steam coming off of it, it's so hot. But when your eggs have yolks in them that are completely green around the egg yolks, that occurs because the sulfur in the egg whites have a reaction with the iron in the egg yolks, causing a green effect. This is your soft boiled egg. We'll just cut into it. What you should have is some nice runny jammy yolks. The second one is our hard boiled egg. It should be solid for the most part, maybe even a little bit of yolk is still, trying to solidify, but for the most part, here are our hard-boiled eggs. Now, if we take out the egg, you can see that the yolk is perfectly cooked. Now, I don't really know the exact time on how long it takes for this reaction to occur because I don't really overcook my eggs. I make them like this. But most people don't, so we're showing you the lesson. This one should have the reaction between the egg whites and the egg yolks. See if that little grayness is starting to occur. A little bit gray. Now, if we leave it in longer, it'll turn green. So once you hard boil your eggs and have them all set aside, you want to leave these little cracks in them. We put in 6 drops of food coloring. We gave you 3 colors to choose from because honestly, I don't know which one's gonna look the coolest. I suggest wearing gloves for this unless you want to dye your fingers for the party, but I'm wearing gloves. We're gonna throw it in there, leave it for about 30 minutes. So once you get done cracking your eggs and peeling them, you're gonna basically have a little web design. After that, it's just cutting them in half and making deviled eggs and dyeing the yolk green with 2 to 3 drops of green food coloring. Cut your eggs and throw the yolks into a bowl. We all know that Worcestershire sauce, this shit is hard to pronounce, okay? But do you really know what it's made out of? Because that's the scary thing. Google that. 2 tablespoons of mayo. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A splash of apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. Throw some of this shit in the bowl with a fucking salt bay. And now some freshly cracked pepper. Paprika, optional. 3 drops of green food dye. Now mix this shit. Just like that, guys, super simple, super easy. We just made alien deviled eggs. And who doesn't love scary movies on Halloween? Seriously. My favorite scary movie of all time would have to be Spider-Man with Tobey Maguire. Spiders and goblins, that's some really scary stuff. And then Uncle Ben had that famous saying that we all remember. Oh God, man, please don't shoot me. I'm just waiting on my nephew, Peter Parker. He should be back from the library. I don't know where he is. But Uncle Ben was a leader. And that's what you are, a leader, telling your friends to like and subscribe and follow me for more content. And that's why we named the rice after Uncle Ben. It was eventually taken away from him because, for whatever reason. But we still have that song by Nickelback, And they say that a hero to save us. I'm always gonna like and subscribe. Now, unfortunately, some really scary news is we're gonna actually have to cut our second recipe out from the final footage. So thanks to Amazon and its fulfillment center, we're not able to make our skeleton pizza rolls that we were wanting to make. So yeah, Jeff Bezos, you gotta get on top of that, man. Not only is Elon Musk beating you with the Starships, I'm pretty sure he's gonna make better pizza molds than this. Rest in peace to Big Uncle Ben. This is our new merch. You can get it in the link in the description below. Buy our merch, or else Jax has to go back to the petting zoo. And that's it from us here at Deathcore Chef Presents Culinary Chaos Halloween Special. I hope you and your family have a safe Halloween, get tons of candy, tag us in the costumes, tag us in any other food that y'all decide to make, and give us a like, follow, subscribe. We'll see y'all next week.